Hi friends, my name is Maruti and I am the co-founder of Kraku. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the frequently asked questions by students about Kraku's mocks, and we'll try to answer the questions. One of the first questions that students ask is, are our mocks, are Kraku's dash cats much more difficult than actual cat? This is an impression that was lingering in the minds of students since many years. So we frequently get this question from students. We get them as a comment on our YouTube channel, or we get them as comment in Facebook groups that Kraku mocks are very difficult. At least this year, we are trying to deliberately make our mocks to be much closer to the CAT level that we expect in all the three sections. For example, in LRDI, we are trying to make sets to be as diverse as possible. In every dash cat, you will be seeing mocks which will have different types of LRDIs. We'll have some scheduling questions, we'll have some arrangement questions, we'll have some Venn diagrams questions, we'll have some 2D, 3D kind of questions. So we are trying to include as many diverse set of LRDIs as possible in every dash cat. Especially, we are trying to make one mock or one set to be very difficult, because this is something that happens even in CAT, where in all the sets, if you see in the last 3-4 years, there will be one set in each of the slot which is extremely difficult. It is a time guzzler which is best avoided. This we are trying to replicate even in our mocks, where there will always be one set, most probably in DI, which appears to be very simple but will be very time consuming. So this is something that we are trying to replicate the exam as close as possible. If you're looking at quant, the quant examination or the difficulty of quant in CAT is decreasing year on year. This has been the stance of even IIMs, because they want to make quant to be slightly on the easier side, because they want to attract a diverse set of students. If quant is more difficult, mostly the engineers will score well, which is not a very good batch profile. A batch profile will be good if it is more diverse. So to encourage diversity also, they are making the quant section easier year on year, which is reflected even in our mocks. So even the quant section of Kraku mocks progressively across the years have been getting slightly more easier, which is again in line with what we expect CAT to be. Finally, in the verbal ability section, over here we are trying to make our verbal ability sections to be slightly on the more difficult side as compared to the CAT RCs, because we feel that somebody who is more prepared for a difficult RC will be able to answer the verbal RCs to much easier in the actual examination. In the actual examination, even though some sets will be easy, there will again be similar to LRDI, there will be some sets which will be very difficult to comprehend. Even in the toppers that we know, when they are reading the sets 2-3 times, also they were not able to answer some of the RCs in the actual CAT. So in our RCs, at least we try to make 2 or 3 RC sets to be slightly on the difficult side, and we try to include 2 or 3 RCs to be on the easier side. So basically what we want to tell you is that our mocks will be slightly on the easier side in quant, because that is what we expect CAT to be. Verbal ability will be slightly on the difficult side, because we feel somebody who is better prepared in verbal ability will be able to answer the easier sets also in the actual CAT. And LRDI, we are trying to include as many diverse sets as possible, and we will always try to include one set which is very difficult, which is best avoided in the examination. So when you prepare for what are the time guzzlers or how they look like, it will help you in avoiding those kind of sets in the examination. The next commonly asked question is, who actually prepares your mocks? So we have a separate team which focuses only on making good quality questions for our CAT mocks and sectionals. So before they prepare any mock, they have a distribution of which topic should be, how many questions should come from each topic. So for example, if you're looking at quant, it has 34 questions, and before they prepare the mock, they will say that okay, 6 questions should come from geometry, 6 questions should come from arithmetic, and so on. And amongst these 6 questions from geometry, say 2 questions should come from circles and 2 questions should come from triangles. And amongst the 2 questions from circles, 1 of them should be heart. So they have a very clear understanding of what should be the difficulty level of each of the questions, which topic should they belong to, and typically how many is the time that is needed to actually solve this question. So once the questions are prepared, they go through multiple levels of checking to ensure that the questions are unambiguous and the explanations are good. And I personally check all the questions in quant and LRDI to ensure that there are no mistakes, no ambiguity. And Sahili checks all the questions in verbal to again ensure that there are no mistakes. One of the most commonly asked questions is, why are your mocks so inexpensive? So there are many students come to us, and some of the students unfortunately even come to the opinion that our mocks are not good because we are pricing them to be very inexpensive. We are offering 15 CAT mocks and 45 sectionals along with video solutions for just 1250. So many students actually ask us, why are they so cheap? The answer is very simple. We want our mocks to be taken by as many people as possible. A mock will be good if it is taken by a lot of people. That is common knowledge, and one of the reasons where there is such monopoly in CAT mocks is because there are some players who are more established than us. So if we are trying to break into the so-called top 3, we want more people to take our mocks, because of which we are pricing it to be very, very low. Secondly, if you see, we don't have a lot of marketing budget. We don't advertise on YouTube or TV. There are some players who advertise even on TV. So if they're advertising on TV, their cost also will be higher. So they need to charge more from the students. For us, I don't think you would have seen our ads either on YouTube, definitely not on TV or radio. We are spreading, or we are growing mostly through word of mouth. Our students are our best brand ambassadors. So many of the students who have purchased the mocks always feel very good about it. So if you are a premium student of Kraku who has taken our mocks and liked our mocks, please tell it to your friend so that more people can actually take the mocks, which will be beneficial to everyone. So basically the answer to this question as to why our mocks are not very expensive is very simple. We have very low marketing budget, and our strategy is to get more people to take our mocks. So we are pricing it to be very, very low. Another very commonly asked question is how many people actually take your mocks. So this year we expect that by the time of CAT, there will be around 3,000 people who will be taking the median number of mocks. That is, the mocks which are taken by a lot of people will be definitely much higher than 3,000. But on an average, the 15 mocks will be taken, I think, by around 3,000 people. And it will keep on increasing as CAT comes closer. Now, the last question that people ask us often is, are there any free mocks for CAT that we can take? So I think Kraku is one of the very few institutes for CAT which is offering 3 mocks for CAT which are completely free. So all the 3 mocks have excellent text solutions. We are trying to add even video solutions to the free mocks. So you should take them up, see how they are. You will also get a good idea of what are the kind of questions that will be asked in CAT. The level of our dash CATs will be very similar to the level of the free CAT mocks. The only difference is that the premium dash CATs also have video solutions for Quant and LRDI. The free mocks as of now don't have video solutions. We are trying to add the video solutions for the 3 free CAT mocks also. But if you're looking to purchase a mock series, you should take the free mocks which are available in our site. The link will be there even in the description. If you like the free mocks, then please do subscribe to our series, the CAT mock series, and attempt them and let us know how you feel.